Chair backs are one of the things that you see in abundance when you walk into the room that you're having your celebration in. And oftentimes people don't pay attention to it. So there are really wonderful, simple ways to accent the backs of the bride's and the groom's chairs, as well as the head table perhaps of your entire bridal party. Or if you have a little extra money in your budget and some time that people can help you, you can do all of the guest chairs. But the simple things you can use in this one particular design, all from my line, are the descending faux flowers with the sparkle in the center. I'm going to show you how to use them. And then there are two sizes in these beautiful pearls that you accent to the faux flowers, and the element that you use to put everything together to not scratch anything are pipe cleaners. Now the reality is the back of the chair can look like fashion of a dress. So have fun, and let me show you how to do this because it's simple, it's fabulous, and it certainly is amazing to look at when you walk into the room. So the pearls, there's one size, and then there's the second size. These get draped from corner to corner, and they're done at different lengths. And then this is two sets of the descending floral, and then this looks amazing like the back of the dress. There's the Mr. and Mrs. sign that comes together as a pack. So they're tied to the back of the chairs and added to Mr. a little less bling. So we have the crystal drops here. These are individual crystal drops. And then you've got the crystal roping, which falls at two different lengths. And this is for Mr. Now for Mrs. Mrs. is a little bit more blinged out. You have the same crystal drops, just at two different lengths on both sides. And then brooches were added to the two corners just to give it that extra wow to the overall look. So Mr. and Mrs. Signs hanging on the back of the chair. I added a lace trimmed burlap ribbon to accent and to have some movement down both sides. And then two simple touches. Lace ribbon tied into a simple bow, added to the back, and then these are little bundles of fresh lavender. You can also use faux lavender, and they've been tied with a little bit of ribbon, and they are added to three spots to add color and to add to that wonderful organic country look to the back of your just married chair.
Subscribe to our channel and share your projects using the hashtag #MakeItWithMichaels.